Hello everyone! Happy July 4th. Today we celebrate freedom, delicious flavors, and summer fun. Let's explore 3 inspiring events. These celebrations make great moments to gift someone, even without a special reason. But if you missed out, don't worry. More exciting events are coming this month. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's Independence Day in the USA. A day to celebrate freedom, patriotism, and unity. A perfect gift could be a flag-themed decoration, a barbecue set, or a historical book about independence. How do you celebrate freedom? Let's share in the comments. Next, it's National Barbecued Spareribs Day. A celebration of smoky, flavorful ribs. A thoughtful gift could be a barbecue grill, a gourmet spice rub set, or a cookbook featuring barbecue recipes. What's your favorite barbecue dish? Share in the comments. Before our last event, are you enjoying these celebrations? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. And finally, it's Sidewalk Egg Frying Day. A fun and quirky celebration of summer heat. A great gift could be a novelty frying pan, a solar-powered cooking kit, or a fun science experiment book. Have you ever tried frying an egg on the sidewalk? Share in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You can find links to purchase matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for July 26th to 31st. So you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome!